first laps on a new track setup. This 250R hasn't been running in a couple of years. We're gonna give her a good old shakedown. Finally got her back together and ripping. Quite happy about that. Let's see how it does on the track. Make sure the suspension's still set up right. Make sure everything's all good. Been a while since you've been running. Been a while since I've been on the track. Granted, I've been playing on 4-wheelers, but 3-wheelers are not the same. So, old man's gonna do a couple of laps around here, see how out of shape he is. See how out of shape the trike is. The trike ended up faring a lot better than the old man did, that's for sure. Always good to pay attention to things. You know, you could be so excited that the thing's running, you forget to check to see how much gas is in it. So I only got a couple of laps before I ran out of gas. It happens. Whoops. Get Tony out there on the quad and showing the old man how it's actually supposed to be done. Because my pumping factor is quite high and I need to find hose blowers because I'm scared of the jumps. Gotta get back used to it. On the other hand, no fear. Just hit him. Big case of send it. His doubles. His timing's down. Hell of a rider. Hell of a rider. Let this A-class rider show this old man how it's done. People that have not ever ridden on a track before, do not ever hit those things at full send. As you see how we're doing this, we're going around, we're checking certain spots, and we're kind of sketching them out, making sure everything's all kosher before we go and have a chance to send it. Not always smart to go out on a fresh track and just hit everything because you never know what's going to happen. Always check it out first. Safety. 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 Can't say it enough. Yeah, you see us riding without helmets. Yeah, you see us riding without gear. Both of us have decades of experience riding. But it is always good to be careful because you never know what's going to happen. Oh! you're still tuned in at this point, I really appreciate the watch time, really appreciate the views. It's you guys that really help support the channel, the ones that watch the videos to the end. You can sit there and see Tony's working the face of this jump so you can get a little bit more throw and get used to how far he has to go. One of those things, when you got a practice track, you can sit there and really hone your abilities in just by hitting the same jump over and over again. Figure it out. Ground speed is critical. Posture and poise is also extremely important. This is all stuff that we try and show you guys and teach you guys. We'll have a couple of cards up here in a minute when the video is over. We've got a tug of war from Trike Fest, and we got some mud bogs from Trike Fest, so I figure you guys might want to check that stuff out if you haven't seen it. If you have, throw a comment down in there. Tell me what you want to see. We got freestyle coming up, all kinds of neat stuff with this new track, so stay tuned. Make sure that bell notification's there.